Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are just a few days away from its official launch. The leaks surrounding the Galaxy Unpacked event and the upcoming devices have been circulating rapidly, giving us a glimpse of what is expected to be announced. However, just a few days before the official announcement, the prototypes of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 were leaked online, showcasing the design and display crease of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 appeared on the EMEITE certification database with the model numbers SMF 9560 and SMF 7410, respectively. The listing reveals that these devices will feature dual SIM and 5G connectivity. Over the past couple of months, we have seen numerous benchmark entries for Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones on Geekbench. Both the US and global versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 visited the platform multiple times, confirming the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, chip everywhere. A fresh Geekbench entry now shows the US factory-unlocked version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The device, the model number SMF 956U1, locked version is SMF 956U and runs Android 14. It boasts 12 GB of RAM, which is the standard on the Fold, while the Galaxy Z Flip 6 also has an 8 GB RAM variant. Rumors say Samsung may not sell the 12 GB Flip in all markets. As well as the benchmarks, we've also seen photos showing what appear to be dummy units of both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. These were shared by 9to5 Google, but because both phones have leaked so extensively at this point, the images don't show us much that we haven't seen before. Judging from these images, the differences may be a lot more subtle than people expected. The Z Fold 6 dummy unit still looks tall and skinny, which has been a defining feature of the Z Fold series compared to some of the other best foldable phones on the market. However, without a Z Fold 5 to directly compare it to, we can only glean so much from these images. Since leaks have already revealed the detailed specs of both upcoming foldables, this Geekbench listing doesn't have anything that might interest you. It's the first time we're seeing the unlocked version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and that's about it. The device scored 2257 in single-core CPU tests on Geekbench 6.3. The multi-core tests yielded a score of 6,903. These scores are slightly lower than what the Flip model achieved in its latest outing. As per our previous leak, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at $1,900 in the United States or INR 170000 in India. All the variants have gone up by $100 compared to their predecessors. Both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 are rumored to be landing on July 10th, so we should find out how accurate these images are soon. Of course, there are likely to be loads more leaks to digest in the meantime, so stay tuned to 9to9 Trends for all the pre-launch news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.